In this video, we are going to unbox and see a little bit this super grinder in Milwaukee. So let's take it out of the box. So as you can see here, this is the one that is up to 9 inches. So I think it's from 7 to 9. So here, this is the model 2785-20. So it says tool only. Battery and charger are not included. It doesn't matter. At least when I bought it here in US, it came with a free battery, and I have a charger already. So as you can see here, we have the tool. So it says 7 to 9. Let's see if we can see something else in this box. So it says operates a 50 amp, like if it was like a 15 amp corded power. It says genera alimentación alámbrica. This is in Spanish, so it's like equivalent of 15 amps, up to 2 pounds lighter than the regular grinder. And let's zoom in a little bit. So it says that is lighter, so it's like 11.9 pounds, or the regular it should be almost 15. So as you can see here, it says capacity up to 9 inches. So it says 230 millimeters, and it says performance. Let's see if we can see something else here. Brushless, of course, 5 years of warranty, and that's it. So let's take it out of the box. I'm going to zoom out and let's see everything that comes in this. I mean, this should be just the box by itself and the tool. So sometimes I need a tool a little bit bigger than 6 inches. I have another one. I used to have another one, and the other one took it from me. So I'm a thief. I used to have the Volt one, the 60 volt, and was amazing. So I said, okay, because I didn't see at least another one this big. I said, okay, I'm going to buy it and I'll give it a try, and then maybe later we can see if we can compare it with another tool. So I ordered another DeWalt, so hopefully I can get the small one. Sometimes, you know, you need something a little bit smaller than the 4 inches, than the regular, the 4.5, the Ryobi. Also, I have a Milwaukee as well. So as you can see here, I mean, for now, it doesn't look that huge. I have another one that is a quarter one, and is way bigger than this. Let's see everything that comes out of the box. So let's see. Okay, looks like a wrench. I don't see anything else here. Here we may have the protectors. Okay, cool. We have manuals, advertisement. Let's see what else. Okay, more advertisement. Let's take it out. Also, I didn't see anybody doing the review of this tool. So as you can see, here is we have the handle, and I was expecting, because it said 7 inches as well, so I was expecting maybe you have a different guard, like a 7-inch guard, but no, it's not the case. I think there are another ones that comes with 2 different guards. So this is the biggest one that I have for now. I have to buy something that is going to be 9 inches. Let's see what we have here. The thing I like the most, at least with the DeWalt, is that with the Allen key, you can open it and you can operate it. But it seems like, the Milwaukee didn't think about it, or what's going on. Even Ryobi, they have a better system than this. You see, you have this, you can just pull this up like that, and then, you lock it from the other side, and then you turn it, and then you remove it easily. I don't know why Milwaukee is doing our job a little bit harder with this. And it seems like it has the, okay, cool. I see the same system. I don't know why it comes with this as well. Oh, Okay, yes, you can use these if you want to, or you can use these as well. Okay, cool. You have both options. So if you tight it too much, if you want to tight this up much, okay, you will use this. I don't know if you can put it inside. I saw another, for instance, another Ryobi where you can put the tool somewhere. I don't know if you can put it somewhere here, but we will see. Okay, so we will have to remove this, and then we are going to put this here somewhere. Okay, you can put it like that. There is one way, and then after that you can push this to rotate it, and then you cut it the way you want it. Okay, cool. Now we have this. We can put the baby. Oh, let me see. Yeah, there is no other way. Yeah, we can put this, and then we can put this back. Hopefully it will work. Otherwise, I will have to buy. Surely, I will have to buy something else. This is just for the demo for now. All right, cool. As you can see, put it there. There we go. Now, let's see the other side. So here you have the button. If you never used one of these before, usually you push the button and then you lock it in place. There we go. Once you lock it in place, you use this tool, and then you tight it as much as possible, and that's it. So now we have the option to put it here on this side, or on the other side the handle. All right, it seems like it has some shocking mechanism, something to absorb the vibration. Okay, here looks like, and all right, it has the protection. See, so if you push here, it will not work. So you have to push it down and then press, and then it will start working. So now we have to put the battery, and I will make it some tests later. So I have the Forge battery fully charged. There we go. And then later, another day, I'll try it. Okay, it doesn't look that noisy. Looks, I mean, here is very grippy. I like it. So all rubber here. Here you can grab it, and now we have to grab it by some disc, so the way I can buy that. As you can see here I have the other one that I was talking before. So a very the size, I mean, it's like a baby one, but you know, sometimes you need a small cuts and places where you cannot put this. You can use that. Also, I have the other one. Here I have the baby Milwaukee fuel as well. As you can see, I like the metal disc that you see here. So they last longer than the other ones. The only downside is it takes a little bit longer to start cutting, but other than that, looks good to me. So later, I'm going to try to do some cutting once I get the big disc, and let's see how it goes. So now we are going to cut this pipe that you see here. As you can see, it's pretty thick. So I'm going to measure it. So as you can see here, if you're here in US, it's about 0.14 inches. And if you pass it to, convert it to millimeters, is 3.7. So we're going to cut it and see how it goes. All right, now as you can see, we are going to cut it with the disc that I have fully charged, and we're going to give it a try. Wow, it's very fast, so very happy. I'll try with a bigger disc later, and let's see how it goes. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.